Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, saws, milling machines, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice clean machine. This is all original paint, just came in. This is a Wilton horizontal bandsaw. It's got a lot of nice features. It's actually pretty clean for what you're looking at. You can see it's still got the original plastic there on the gauge. Somebody took really good care of it. It's got a little wire brush over here. We'll go ahead and open that. You can kind of see how everything works inside. You can see these wheels are in good condition. Here's your wire brush. That's going to go ahead and clean all the chips off that fall down here. It's got a coolant system built in. Something super important on this machine is 220 single phase. Comes with a nice little arrangement of blades here, depending on what you're cutting. We'll show you how it works. Pretty simple. You've got your quick little stop here. You could set it up so all you have to do is feed your material. As soon as you hit that spot, you know exactly where you're at. You can repeat that. Right here, we're gonna have to turn on our blade. This is gonna be a manual raising saw. We'll close these up now that we've shown you that. So you're gonna manually raise it. You're also gonna go ahead and close the vise and open the vise manually. You don't have to do a lot of turning, just a little tiny bit as long as you're feeding something like that. Then you're gonna go ahead and hit right here. This is gonna be your head down button. And your head will start feeding down. Now right here we have our speed, which you can see we're increasing. And depending on the material that you're gonna be cutting, how fast you're cutting, what blades you're cutting, and what coolant you're cutting, it's all gonna make a difference on how fast and how clean of a cut you're gonna have on the piece that you're doing. Everything's gonna be different on what you're cutting. All these factors do play a really important part if you're looking for any type of production or you wanna make a nice clean cut over and over again, that'll do it for you. We'll take a quick walk around. Let's take a quick walk around here to show you the whole saw. Here's our variable speed. This is where you're going to change your speed of the blade. Again, here was your feed speed. This is your rate of coming down. Back there you have your coolant pump as well as your coolant container. You'll also notice right here this little switch. Once that's activated, the head knows that it's at the bottom, and that's when it completes the stroke and shuts off. Nice machine. This is beautiful and ready to go. Let us know if you're looking for something like this, new or used. We sell both. You can see a lot of other saws, vertical as well as horizontal. We love to buy, sell, and trade with you. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.